What's the meaning of belading? Belading. Belading.
Belading. Belading. Belading is a term used to refer to the process of removing excess material from the edges or tips of blades, typically in the context of industrial manufacturing or maintenance. This can involve the use of specialized tools such as grinders or lathes to shave off small amounts of material in order to achieve a precise edge or angle, or to repair damage caused by wear and tear over time. The term can also refer more broadly to any technique used to thin or shape a blade, such as sharpening or honing. Proper belading is essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of cutting tools in a variety of industries.